As we step through the doorway, we are welcomed by the stunning Peranakan tiles, where a subtle nod to the past adds personality and flair to the entrance. The kitchen seamlessly connects both the doorway and the dining area with a bifold door, creating a light and open feel. The pattern backsplash, hanging lights, high chairs, wooden fluted panel all adds up to create a cozy yet modern ambience. The common toilet is seamlessly tucked away along the wall, discreetly positioned, so it does not disrupt the flow of the living area. Moving forward, we step into the living room, where we use 90 by 90 cm tiles, which visually expand the space by reducing the frequency of tile joints. Wooden decking paired with bamboo blinds evokes a relaxing, resort-like ambience. Next, we move to the study room, a cozy, practical space designed for productivity and focus. At the top, we enter the master bedroom. With its spacious layout and serene Scandinavian design, this room feels like the perfect retreat after a long day. The attached master toilet incorporated large tiles to reduce the number of grout lines, giving a seamless and spacious appearance. Down the hallway are two kids' rooms, playful and practical, tailored to meet the needs of growing children. Both rooms connect to a shared toilet, ensuring convenience and functionality for the family. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we shall see you in the next one.